I'm Robert Dragomir and I'm sales manager for automotive and hydraulic cylinder business in Europe. Here at Tenaris facility in Romania, in 2021 we expanded our automotive component center with a further one-of-a-kind production line in Europe for airbags components. The line produces seamless tubes and components for airbag inflators, and through a unique automated testing process it further enhances the safety of operations and guarantees a higher quality product through a more cost-effective manufacturing process. Thanks to the implementation of this production line, we are well positioned to effectively respond to the demand of airbag inflator components from European producers while strengthening our worldwide network. We have also a hydraulic cylinders component center. It's equipped with cutting-edge equipment for performing various operations, including turning, welding of the flanges and accessories, where the housing ready for assembling on the hydraulic cylinders are produced.